Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then we have to scroll down and enter device identifiers and localize build number. Now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and then go back to the general list of the settings. Here we have to enter the system and tap on developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, overall the networking. We can also, for example, show the layout bounds and change the window animation scale. You can override force dark, etc. So all you have to do to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just take a look at this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and then tap on it. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, you can see that the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.